We asked, what is this special animal that if you look at it, you won't be sad anymore? This animal is mentioned in Parshas Truma, Vayakel Pkudei Bamidbar Enasoi, and the name is Tachash. Tchashim, Tachash, sometimes it comes in the plural form and sometimes in the singular. Tachash is translated into Aramaic, as Onkelos brings, Sasgona. And if you break it into two, it's Sasgona. The Medrash Teimani brought in Torah Shlema explains anyone who sees this animal, Sas miyagono, will be rejoiced from his sadness. The sadness will be gone. He will be happy. We also mentioned in the question that this animal is alluded to Parshas Vayera, because over there it says ve'et tachash ve'et ma'acha, names of people, but after all it's the same letters. Tachash, taf, ches, shin. In Parshas Vayera it's a name of a person, but after all it's really the same letters as the animal that we were looking for. The animal that if you look at it, you won't be sad anymore. You will be happy.